So in this lecture, we will discuss about how we can apply the seismic forces. Okay, I just open a previous plan. Just create all plan, geometry like beam, column, slab. Provide all the properties, plate thickness, size of the beam, size of the column. Provide all the supports as fixed support. Then go to load and definition. In load and definition, we need to provide seismic forces at very first, okay, before any other load case. First will be the seismic force when we are providing the seismic force. So I just delete all these load cases. You can directly delete these load case from the stat output or stat editor. Just go to stat editor. And delete all these generated load combinations up to self weight and load 1 dead load. Okay, I just delete all the load cases and close it, save. There will be one error. Computer is hang, so just wait for a minute. Okay, now we deleted all the load case from stat editor. For the seismic forces, just go to definition, click on that particular plus sign. Wind definition, I'm also deleting it, and go to seismic definitions. In seismic definitions, go to add and select the Indian code, which is Indian IS 1893 2002/2005. We are selecting a code Indian IS 1893 and then click on generate. In all your computer, it will show creation failed. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to just close the program in all your computer. That's why I didn't put that command in my computer also, because you need to correct it in your computer. Just close the program, because this problem is in all the computers, and type CMD over here in the search box. You need to search CMD command prompt. Just right click on the CMD and go to run as administrator, and yes, and type a command regsvr32 space and on this particular semicolon reg. Okay, Just type regsvr32 and switch on that particular double semicolon and go to my computer or this PC, C drive, local disk C, go to ASPRO STAT SS6 and go to STAT and find out 1893.dll file over here. DLL 1893.dll. Okay, just right click on that particular file, go to properties and security and copy this particular path. Just select that path, copy it with Ctrl C, close the window and paste it over here. Look at this. If this type of question mark is there, just remove it with the help of backspace. Close the double semicolon and press enter. It will show DLL register server.in succeeded. Now it is okay. And close it. Again open the stat profile. Go to the structure, general, load case detail, seismic definitions, go to add. Now select the code Indian IS 1893-2002/5 and go to generate. When you click on generate, this particular dialog box will open. Now we have to select our city or a zone. We have divided 4 zones in India, zone 2, 3, 4 and 5, and accordingly zone factor will change. For zone 2, zone factor will be 0.1. For zone 3, 0.16. For zone 4, 0.24. And for zone 5, 0.36. If you select city, all the cities, major cities of India will show here. You can select like Bhuj, Bhilai and Chennai, Delhi, all other cities, Dehradun, Goa, which city you want to select. For the time being, I am selecting Delhi. Look at this, zone factor of Delhi is 0.24, which is in zone 2. If you select zone 2, it is zone 3. If you select zone 4, okay, it's a zone 4, 0.24. When you select zone 4, it will take a zone factor of Delhi. And you can directly select the city also, which is Delhi. Then response reduction factor. For concrete structure, we need to select ordinary RC moment resisting frame or special RC moment resisting frame. Reinforced concrete, okay. For concrete structures, we will select a reinforced concrete moment resisting SMRF or OMRF. For steel structure, we need to select steel frame, concentric braces or eccentric braces. For ductile shear wall, we need to select the ductile shear walls, and the bearing masonry wall, all other things. For the concrete structure, we will select ordinary RC moment resisting frame or special RC moment resisting frame. If the structure is ordinary, a small structure, the life of structure is very less, then we will select ordinary. If the structure is a special type of structure, the life of structure you want more, then you need to select SMRF. I'm just selecting SMRF. Then importance factor. If your building is general building, it is not important, a small house or any other small structure, then you will select a general building. If the building is important, like a school building, hospital building, temple, or any other public building, then you need to select an important building. It will take a factor of important building over here, importance factor. Same that, like that, response reduction factor will also taken by the software automatic when you select it. For SMRF it is 5, for OMRF it is 3. I just select SMRF. Rock or soil factor, it depends on the soil condition of the site. If the soil is soft, medium or hard, you can select accordingly. I'm selecting medium soil. Structure type, RC structure. If it is a steel frame, then select steel frame. Damping ratio, I'm providing 0. Okay. Depth of the foundation, it depends on the site condition. Where the hard strata will come, you need to provide up to that particular depth. Period in X and period in Z, we need to calculate it. And for the calculation, just use the formula 0.09 H upon under root D. What is it? Zero point 0.09 H upon root D. Okay, where H is equal to height of the building, height of the structure, and D is width of the structure. If you are calculating a period in X, then we need to take a width of the building in X direction. When we are calculating a period in Z direction, then we will take a width along Z direction. D will change. Height is remain same for Px and Pz, both the values. Just calculate it from this formula. It's a value of Px and Pz. If you are calculating Px, then take D of X direction. If you are calculating Pz, then take the width of Z direction. Okay. Go to generate and add. When you add this, it will ask for some mass of the structure. In mass of the structure, we need to specify the self-weight factor 1 and go to add. And assign all the dead loads also. Go to member weight, select a loading type will be uniform. Weight, I am providing -14 kilonewton per meter for outer wall, -6 for inner walls, and -2 for parapet wall. Then again go to floor weight and provide half of the live load, which is 50% of the live load. Okay, I am providing 1.5 throughout the structure as average. What is height of the structure? Provide it in maximum. In minimum it is 0. In maximum it is the height of the structure, and provide half of the live load, which is the 50% live load. Okay, add and close. We need to assign all these three loads, 14, 6 and 2. Please do not provide minus. Okay, it's in positive because it's a mass of the structure, so we need to provide positive. Yes. Go to front view, select all the floors. View and view selected object only. Go to top view, select that load, select all the outer beams, assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Select the next one, assign it into the inner walls or inner beams. Go to whole structure, take front view and select top floor. Go to view and view selected object only. Again take a top view, select that particular 2 kilonewton load and select all the outer beams. View select, assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Okay, now it's assigned all the loads. Then what we need to do, just close this and come to the load case detail, and we have to create 4 different case for 4 different direction. like seismic in plus x, seismic in minus x, seismic in plus z, and seismic in minus z. Let's go to load case detail. Add loading type will be seismic, and I am providing the earthquake force or EQ, positive x direction, EQ negative x direction, EQ positive z direction, EQ negative z direction. 4 different cases. Then we will create a load case for dead load, and then for live load. If you are providing wind load also, then you can create a load cases of wind load. Now go to the first one, go to add seismic loads, x direction, factor 1, add, close. Select the next one, go to add seismic load, x direction, factor will be -1, add and close. Go to the next one, EQ plus Z, add. Go to the seismic load, Z direction, 1 factor, add and close. Select next one, earthquake minus Z, go to add. Seismic load, X, Z direction, factor will be -1, add and close. Now we have assigned all the loads of seismic. Then go to dead load, add, assign a self weight as -1 factor, member load uniform force, provide -14 over here, -6 for inner wall, and -2 for parapet wall. Select the first one, self weight, assign to view, assign and yes. Select the next one, which is for all the outer beams. Go to view, selected object only, top view, select that load case and select all the outer walls, outer beams. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Select next one, which is 6 kilonewton per meter. Select all the inner beams, take a method as assign to selected beams, assign, yes. Go to the whole structure, front view, select the top floor, then view selected object only. Go to the top view and select all outer beams. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Okay. What about the live load? Just go to live, add. I'm selecting a floor load, pressure. I'm providing -3 for residential building and height of the structure 15. Go to add and close. Now what about combination? Just go to load case details, add auto load combination, select code as Indian code, click on generate loads and add, close. You have created all the load combinations. Analysis oblique print, add, close, analyze and run analysis. Zero error, 2 warning, we can ignore the warnings, but error must be 0. Go to post processing mode and done. Here you can see all the analysis results. Clear to all? Okay. If you have any doubt, I can repeat. You can you understand the how to crack this? When you click on generate and creation file will come. Can you do this? Just type command reg in small letters, regsvr32 space and double column 32 space, and copy this path from C drive, close the double column and enter. Okay, let's apply wind load 2 in this case. How can we use the stat editor to modify our structure? Just go to stat editor over here in this icon, stat editor, and you can modify your structure from here. Suppose I want to delete all these load combinations. Just select all the load combinations and press delete button. You can also change all the loads, support and any other thing. Suppose I want to change the load intensity of live load from 3 to 2.5. I just remove 3 to 2.5, replace it and save it. It will convert in 2.5. Look at this, all the combinations are deleted and this value will be 2.5 over here because I just replaced from the stat editor. Go to load and definition, wind definitions, add this one, close, select that wind definition, add, provide intensity which we have calculated for 15 meter, for 12 meter, for 10 meter or any other thing. I'm just providing, for example, random values. Okay, add it, provide the exposure factor as 1, add and close, select that exposure factor, go to assign to view, assign and yes, then go to load case details, add, loading type will be wind over here and create 4 different cases. First one, wind load plus x direction, then wind load minus x direction, wind load plus z direction, wind load minus z direction, add and close. Select the first one, go to add, wind load x direction, x windward phase, factor will be 1, y range, provide height of the building in maximum height of the building 15 meters, add and close. It will show like that. Go to the next one, WL minus x, go to add, wind load, select this only. Okay, x windward phase, do not select minus x leeward phase. We are selecting x windward phase and providing a -1 factor and 15 meter height in y range. It's the height of building. Select the next one, add, wind load and select z windward phase, 1 factor, provide height of the building in maximum y range, add and close. Select the next one, wind load minus z, add, wind load windward phase -1 factor and maximum height, add and close. Now create load combinations, go to load case detail, add, auto load combination, select Indian code, generate, add. close. Now you can analyze. Go to analyze, run analysis. Okay. After the analysis, when you go to the case of seismic forces and click on that particular 1893 load case X1, it will show intensity of seismic forces. Okay. When you press Shift V, look at this. When you change the load case, the intensity will also change. Okay. But after the analysis, it will show. Go to post processing mode and done. How can we interpret the results of earthquake loads? You can see the results from this table. Just select any one beam like this, and you can see the deflection due to earthquake EQ minus X from this load case, wind load, and all other generated load cases like 12th generated load case or 14th generated load case. What is it? Just go to modeling, general, loading, and look over it here. 14 generated load cases, 1.2 load 5, 6 and 9. What is 5? Dead load, 6 live load, and 9 wind load plus Z. So all other loads are there. You can see results in post processing mode from this table, or just select one beam, go to view selected object only, results, view value, beam results, and I want a maximum displacement. Suppose I noted it's a maximum displacement from the load, by the load earthquake plus Z. If you change the load, it will change. You just select by which load case you want. For the base shear, we need to do dynamic analysis. Okay, I'll take a separate lecture for dynamic analysis. There we will find base shear. Okay, Shahid. Any doubt to any other member? Okay. So please do the practice. We are not going so fast because some of you are joined late in the particular course. So please watch all the lectures, all the previous 10 sessions. In Saturday, we covered wind load. Okay. Please go and watch the 10th session. You will find out in the playlist, or go to the social tab, social folder of your email, Gmail. Okay. I'll also send you today the link. Okay, guys. If you have no doubt, then shall I end the session? Please do practice for all the 11 lectures. Okay. Today is the 11th lecture. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, I'll send you today 9th and 10th session to all the members.